Hey guys, how's it going? How to vote after a name change. So, first of all, I'll contact your local election office or visit their website to update your voter registration with your new name. Be prepared to provide legal documentation of your of your name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. So, ensure next step, ensure you update with your registration. Sorry, you update your registration before your state's voter registration deadline. And on election day, next, bring a valid ID that reflects your new name if required by your state. Once your registration is updated, you can vote at your designated polling place. These steps will ensure you can vote after changing your name. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you